a weak ass bitch.
All to do.
Alright, now you gonna come hold this little camera, see if we can get some reflection. Your shit's weak.
Shit's whizzy.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say record, right?
Look at this garbage.
Hold on, move this here. We'll show them here.
2 18-inch
Leave that open.
BT junk. You ain't got no
Don't set
sunroof?
it up there, cause if it touches that, it'll shut it off, cause the drop protection.
Turn it up, bitch. Turn it up. To the hoop, dude.
So what the hell does that mean? One's broken and one's not, or what?
One's broken in, and the other one's not.
Batteries shouldn't drop.